Hello everybody, welcome back to Creating Hanley. I am Kimberly at Creating Hanley, and I know I'm in my front porch right now, and it's a bit of a mess because we did have a yard sale, and some of this stuff is still here left over from the yard sale that did not sell. So, it's a bit of, although my cat, this stays here, and the couch stays here, yeah, the cat trees, that's for them. So, I know it's a little bit of a mess, and I apologize for that, but we're just going to do this video right here. And maybe someday, I'll do a video on the clean out of the front porch. But regardless, so this is actually like a 3-season room because it's a glass enclosed. I got, glass doors here. But regardless, let's take a peek. What do we have right here? What is this word right here? Guys, I ordered a GreenStalk. Yay! And it came Friday, October 13th. So that is fantastic. I love it. Is that perfect timing? So anyway, I'm going to grab these boxes and we're going to open them right now. So this is a GreenStalk unboxing. So let's dive right into it. All right. So I'm going to come back here. Grab this box. Bring it up. I'm going to go get the other one, which is a little bit heavier. Now, we all know, lift with our legs, right? Here we go, guys. Look, it's the GreenStalk. I'm so excited. So, I have to add a disclaimer. I am not sponsored or affiliated in any way with this product. I just know that GreenStalk is a pretty good product as far as growing vegetables vertically, and so, or any kind of vegetation. You could put flowers in there if you want, herbs. So whatever you feel like growing it vertically in a vertical space, the GreenStalk is a pretty good growing container for that reason. However, I am not affiliated with them in any way. I am not sponsored by them. Maybe sometime in the future, but GreenStalk doesn't even know I exist until I purchased 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 GreenStalk units. So let's dive into these boxes and let's see what we have in here. So I think this is the bigger box. So there must be 2 in here and then 1 in the smaller one, because not only is it a little bit bigger, but it's double the size, double the weight. So there is a weight on here, and I think they said this was like 22 pounds, and I think they said this one was 44 pounds, which may be true because it didn't even hold the tape on here. So, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. So, let's see what we got here. Alright, so there's that. Let's slice this one open. Okay, here we go. So, I'm going to drop this down a little bit so you can see what is inside the box. Let's open it up, guys. Oh, yay, looky. Okay, so they tell you on the packing list is a sticker, and they put it on the inside, which I think is pretty smart. So you can tell exactly what is in here. Although it doesn't come out, it's stuck on the thing, but hopefully it is recyclable. Or if you actually, like, if you put your cardboard as a brown material in composting, hopefully this will break down. I mean, I don't know what this label's made out of. The cardboard should break down easily, and the packing tape should probably break down easily because it's not plastic. Although there are little fibers in it, but it should be okay. But this, I'm not exactly sure. So if you use cardboard in your composting, I'm not sure how that's going to respond. So, just do You can rip that off there, I guess. You can try to peel that off. Let's see if it does. Oh, you know what? It peels off pretty easily. So that's not going to be a problem, folks. I was making it a big deal. It's not a big deal. That comes off easily. So anyway, let's take a peek at what's in here. Can you guys see? Let me fly you over top. So look what we have right here. They come upside down. At least this one's packaged that way. All right, so I'm going to take this out. Actually, I'm going to take out the first. This is the top bin. So you can see the top bin, it says water only. And I'm pretty sure this is for the very, very tippy top. And then I also ordered the twirly thingies, the little stands that you twirl. So wheels go in here and you have to put it together yourself. But the wheels are right here and it looks pretty simple to me. So I'm pretty handy and I can do this easily. So, whoops, there are two. I ordered 3, so there are 2 of these and one must be in the other box. And then you just stick those together. So this is just an unboxing. I'm not going to put this together now because it's October and I want to do this in the spring of next year. So I don't want to put these together and then have, 3 GreenStalks in this base. I'm not going to plant anything over winter in these right now because I don't have it really set up for that yet in my garden. But I just wanted to show you what was in a box. So this is the top water tray, but these are the inside water trays. Oh, and these are the directions. You get to set up. And then you get a card by who was some guy put my GreenStalk package together. So that's pretty nice, I guess. And then here they are. So I got the original 5 unit. This is called a mover base. A mover base because it aligns up perfectly with the GreenStalk system because you can see how the bottom is set up. So when you put this on here, it should line up and fit exactly. And then with the wheels on, it will spin around and it'll move. So that's why this is designed, and that's probably why it's so expensive. And these little pieces are $40 a piece as of the time of this recording. So this is what a unit looks like. It's got the water filtration system on the inside, and then this is where you would put your soil, your growing medium, and then when you place the next one, let me grab another one here. You place the next one on top of it, it should fit in perfectly. Yep, just like that. So your growing medium is in here, and then you put your little seedlings or your seeds or your little plants or whatever you have right in this space. And then let me see if you guys can see this. So do you see all the space under here? You see where my hand is? Like all the roots would be under there. And the watering system, so you put each one of these per tier. And then you have, let's just do it on the top one here. And then so you have your watering system here, and then you put your next unit on top of that, and then on top of that, and then each one of these goes in. Do you see what I mean? And then if I was setting this up correctly, it would fit a little bit better. There we go. So see how like these sit? This is the first time I'm opening this, folks. This is the first time I have one of these in my little hands right now. So, but I've seen this enough on other YouTube videos and to see how it works And for me, it's pretty self-explanatory how this fits together. But because GreenStalk makes it so easy, like everything is just interlocking and it's pretty simple. But this tray is to catch the water that runs down in the unit. So this top piece would have water filtering through, and then it goes in that bucket, and then it comes down, and then more water goes through this bucket, and then it keeps moving down, right? So it's pretty cool, and I'm super excited. I want winter to be over so so that we can get to spring and the growing season here in eastern United States. So we're actually in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Western PA, but it's the eastern part of the U.S. This is growing zone 6B, I think, 6A or B, but growing zone 6. Ish. so that is the unboxing of the GreenStalk, and I bought 3 of them in different colors. So I got one light green, and then one dark green, and then one called a stone color, which is like a cream kind of color. So there we go. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for my new GreenStalk. Yay! So next season, we will be experimenting on different plants, like how to plant certain things, what would be the best option. I've seen a couple of videos that say the bottom tier on the 5, this is the original 5, the bottom tier on the 5 tends to be a little bit drier than the others. So maybe that's the best one for flowers, or for, like pollinator insects, and maybe like maybe like plants that don't require as much water. The bottom tiers might be good for that. But you can always hand water those, So the idea is to put water in the top, and then it just drips down. So here's the stone color, and then here is the other green color. So you can see these green colors, the 2 different greens and the stone. And again, I have another one of these to fit perfectly. And let's see, in this one, these look like dog dishes right off the bat, don't they? But here we have the green, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. Oh. There's the 5th one. So that's, I got 3 5 originals. So I figured the 7s are a little bit smaller. Here's what I mean. The 7s aren't as deep. So if you get the 7 tier, they're not as deep. They're a little bit shorter. And I wanted the longer growing capacity, just to have a little bit more roots. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to grow in here, but I have seen people try to grow sweet potatoes in these. So I was thinking maybe like carrots, because right now the deer are eating my carrot tops, and my carrots are actually, they're honestly baby carrot size. They're super tiny, which is fine, but it's like a bite, So I was thinking maybe I can grow carrots in one, or a couple tiers. Maybe try a sweet potato, because right now also the sweet potato leaves are completely chomped off by the deer, so that's a problem. And so I was thinking this might be a solution, and then I just put deer netting around it, and then I'm good to go there. My strawberries, the same thing. I have my strawberries on the ground in little pots, and the deer, I didn't get one strawberry. I'm not actually sure if it was the deer that ate the strawberry plants. It may have been the groundhog. The groundhog ate my all of my leafy greens, all of them, all the leafy greens. So the beets, the chard, the spinach, the lettuce, and I'm pretty sure that little groundhog was munching on the strawberries, and I'm pretty sure the deer ate all of the sweet potato leaves. So I don't know how the sweet potato tubers grew. I may try to find out and dig those up in the next couple weeks, depending on the weather. And then, so I figured this would be a good solution to that, and then just put deer netting around it. So the reason why I got 3 was to try all those different things in this, and just eliminate the ground. Now I have them all in planter boxes, but you know, planter boxes without a fence doesn't really help against little critters. Not that I have a problem with the little critters, and maybe next year I'll plant specifically for those critters. But right now I would like to feed myself, and the deer and the little groundhogs can find their own food somewhere else. So that is my new GreenStalk plants, guys. I'm super excited. I really want winter to be over now. It's only mid-October, so I can try these. But in the meantime, I will just know that everything in here is perfect. It's packed great. There's no breakage. I mean, I didn't see any splits or any breakage or anything. Everything looks like it fits together. And so I'm not even going to take any more out of the box. They're all staying here. And oh my gosh, I love it. These boxes are going to go back on that little stand where I had them. And oh, check this out. Time to celebrate. I love it, guys. You can tell I'm super excited. I want to grow my GreenStalks. So, like I was saying before, I just went to the GreenStalk company, and they were having a bit of a sale on these. And I don't know when you guys are watching this video, but if it's any time in the future after today, they may not have that sale going on anymore. So I did not order through any other YouTubers. I just went directly to the company, and I ordered directly from them. This is an American-made product. It's made in Tennessee, I believe. That yep. There we go. Made in Tennessee. Can you guys see that? So it's an American-made product, and it ships right from Tennessee. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm super excited. Come on over to the GreenStalk family. Let's see how it goes in the springtime. But in the meantime, what you can do in your own home is plant little herbs. You know, keep them small for over winter. And then maybe some, I don't know how like lettuces would grow indoors, but you can maybe grow some green veg that way. And let's see how it goes in the spring. All right. Fingers crossed we have a mild winter. Okay, you guys, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. And bye for now.